So LTAP is set up to basically help local transportation agencies, city and county, do their jobs more efficiently and effectively and safely.
As well as training, outreach, and technical assistance.
So we do a lot of different training in a whole range of areas. I mean, we serve 4,000 or 5,000 people a year, so we do a lot of events and serve a lot of people. Iowa LTAP, we do over 100 event days a year.
We are preparing the next generation of transportation professionals through the research we do here, through their interaction with the professionals in this building, through their education on campus.